you to use some piston engine? No, I did not do that. Well, we pull this trigger like this, so first we pull that. We're wrong. Look at this. It has this with trigger system on, with the wide with trigger system on, and you have to put your bullet hit force here 2.1. If you look at the bullet force is actually so strong that it can even push brake. Here's an example of it. This is the other shotgun. So it only has one. So opposite them, and they will act like this. Watch as this brings about to be hit. If you put the delay shooting into 0.1, this will act like this. As you can see, the biggest getting spammed shot. So that's how it will work. So, since you put this shotgun on bullet speed 2.1 and 2.1 on the bullet force, the same here, and now it will work without a motorized wheel. Here it is. As you can see, it works without a motorized piston. If you know this, hit like and subscribe and go to the comment section and what you like to know. If you already know this, hit the chat emoji if you know this, or ask if you don't know this. Look at I made a working dyno with this dyno. Look at this. Let's turn this bad boy on. See, it works, it freaking works on this car too. As you can see, it's getting spammed by this generator. It's because of this Ranger, the constantly hits it. Always shooting it. So to stop it, just hold it. Or just hold it so it can be fast, but if you look at it, as you can see, it doesn't work because I just put this on. So you move that, it will constantly work. So watch without this, what you call that right here, this one, like this, move, pulling it. So sometimes it doesn't work. So when you start it, So I have an idea to make it a backup. But just put in this. And then you go. You got it. You got it working! Pick this. Then I'm cool. Let's see what happens. Okay, I got. Oh, shit. Yeah. One more time. Yeah. Oh, oh my god! So thanks for watching.